How y'all doing? This Rhonda from Rhonda's Artwork and Mo Presents, LLC. Yeah, I'm back with another one. I'm working on this. It says, I love me. Self-love is the best love. When you love self, you can help someone else, truly. Alright, come back with another Ankh that I'm going to be working on. I'm going to be grinding this down until I see what I like. Until I see what I want to see. Alright, and during that time that I'm working on this, I'm gonna get back with y'all and show y'all the progress of what I have, how my work coming along. You put in the work, you're gonna see. You put in the effort and the work that it takes to reach your goals, you're gonna see the fruit of your goals. Put in the work. Don't quit on yourself. Don't let others cause you to quit on you. Yeah. So there's the Ankh I'm gonna be working on. Woodworking. I'm doing some woodworking, just on a piece of wood that I had laying around, and I'm gonna turn it into something. So that's what I'm doing. Woodworking, people. Alright, I just want to show y'all that before I started on it. Subscribe to my channel. Like the videos if you like them. And just continue to love yourself. Heal yourself. So yeah. Alright. Y'all see that? Be working on. Yes, I love me. Don't forget to love yourself. Alright, people.